As indicated by our for the most part current NEXO cost expectation, the worth of NEXO will expanded by 209.48%, coming to $2.31 by end of 2025. All specialized pointers demonstrate that the ongoing feeling is negative, while the trepidation and insatiability record is perusing 21.62, which generally implies intense apprehension. Our NEXO figure: it's hazardous to explicitly sell NEXO at the present time. On Walk 6, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flag bullish signs, while different markers flag negative signs, demonstrating an especially broad negative feeling among NEXO cost forecasts. See the genuinely careful NEXO cost expectation beneath. You will know the amount NEXO truly is essentially worth in the next few long stretches of time. Amazingly, over the kind of most recent 30 days, NEXO has diminished by 19.62%, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of an extremely slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of spring, the worth of NEXO expanded by 113.18% and came to approach around $1.39 in a significant manner. As of now, all markers are demonstrating negative zone, and the apprehension and veracity record in a real sense shows 21.62 intense feelings of dread, or so they thought. As per our figure, this isn't the ideal opportunity to sell NEXO essentially. At present, NEXO is exchanging beneath the 200 exceptionally straightforward moving normal a significant way. For the kind of most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a NEXO selling signal in a genuinely large manner. The cost of NEXO basically is at present running beneath the 50-day straightforward moving normal SMA, and it generally shows a sell signal, which is genuinely critical. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit 81 cents toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, NEXO's truly momentary 50-day SMA especially shows a 76 cent, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The very relative strength file RSI, force oscillator, is a well-known marker that signals whether a digital currency is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70 in a genuinely significant way. NEXO, value expectation 2023. In the main 7-day stretch of January 2023, NEXO came to 86 cents, when it especially dipped under 66 cents, interestingly since January 2021, in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per the financial backers and market trades, NEXO truly is headed to passing the $1.43 mark before the current year's over. Before $1.43, it might break its characteristic of $4.63 in reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, NEXO will break its past all-time high of $4.63 and hold somewhere in the range of $1.39 and $1.43 soon. At this point, on 6 Walk 2023, NEXO is exchanging at 65 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume really is around 4.66 M, and it makes number 101 money in the entire crypto world. NEXO value expectation 2024. There is plausible that NEXO can, for the most part, get through the $1.68 hindrance and generally hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The lease NEXO cost will be between $1.40 to $1.68, and the most probable NEXO cost will explicitly be in every practical sense consistent at around $1.66 toward the finish of 2024. Despite NEXO's especially wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its earth unpleasant energy use, extremely rich person adventure commonly entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that NEXO will in every way that really matters reach $1.68 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024, or so they thought. NEXO value forecast 2025. By 2024, market investigators and specialists anticipate that NEXO will basically begin the year at $1.92 and exchange around $2.31. Or so they for the most part thought. As indicated by their expectations, this would be incredibly high contrasted with kind of a year ago. This fundamentally is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. NEXO value forecast 2026. There for the most part is a decent opportunity that NEXO 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost, yet it is likewise commonly conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal greatest $2.94 level. NEXO is anticipated to for the most part arrive at an unequaled high of $2.79 or $2.94 in 2026, and it very well may be the extended period of NEXO. NEXO Value Forecast 2027 NEXO Value Expectation, or NEXO, will encounter enormous development in 2027 as it essentially can possibly truly accomplish new highs. As far as price tags and market cap, NEXO's cost explicitly is supposed to explicitly outperform $2.94 in 2027 in a significant manner. It has been generally anticipated that NEXO will arrive at the greatest cost of $2.94, and the base cost certainly is supposed to be around $2.50 in the following a long time from 2027. NEXO figure 2028 market examiners and specialists foresee say that NEXO value expectation and specialized examination, NEXO, is supposed to cross a value level of $3.26 in 2028. Which generally is genuinely huge. In the meantime, NEXO in a real sense is supposed to arrive at a kind of least cost of $3.09 this year, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The for the most part greatest cost may reach $3.55, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. NEXO value expectation 2029 by the start of 2029. The NEXO value forecast and specialized examination anticipate that the expense of NEXO will reach $4.73, and the cost of NEXO ought to basically reach $4.73 before the year's over, which is genuinely critical. Moreover, NEXO can reach up to $4.39 in cost from 2024 to 2029. Delay will bring huge years for NEXO development, which is very critical. NEXO value expectation 2030 out of 2030. NEXO value forecast explicitly are supposed to really cross the $6.71 normal cost level, as indicated by NEXO figure and specialized examination, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Toward the finish of 2030, NEXO's base cost is supposed to in a real sense be $6.34. Moreover, NEXO can arrive at a greatest value level of $6.79 incredibly. Toward the finish of 2030, NEXO will have a typical cost of $6.79, which really is genuinely huge. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift. NEXO value expectation 2031 NEXO cost is assessed to especially reach $8.94 by 2031, at least, or so they in every practical sense thought. With a typical exchanging cost of $9.22 all through 2031, NEXO's worth could come to $9.34 at its most noteworthy. The experts generally expect the in every practical sense most extreme cost to exchange around $9.22. NEXO conjecture 2032 of every 2032. NEXO will attempt to arrive at the most reduced degree